Hello there, comrades. Yeah, today I will show you how to boot up my broken laptop. So, you take laptop like so, you use two hands to open it, and you open it up like this. Then reach over to your button, slap that shit pretty hard, then screen begins to turn on. Then you get to this stage, and then you go to fuck 2, and then at fuck 2, you wait for it to load. And then you test the go and go like English. Okay, good. I tapped English. Suitable, yeah. Well then, right, initialize the diagnostics. I'm gonna tell you my posting schedule. I will post videos every day, except for yeah, except for next couple of days, except for Sunday, Sunday every week, and possibly next couple of days, cause yeah, real life issues. So yeah. Yes, I will post. So I try to post as much as possible, comrades. And if not, I'm sorry. I will try to keep my promise with how I should post. So stay tuned. I might not be posting that much for the next couple of days. Yes, Thanksgiving is coming up, and there's other real life issues I have to attend to. Yes. Back to initializing diagnostics. That was loud beeping sound. Oh, yeah, this is HP laptop. It is dog shit. You could sometimes a good little bang helps out the computer. You know what I'm saying, comrades? Just still do. Shoot, yeah. Why isn't it not working? Well, then if it doesn't work, you just shut it off, give up on it, and you just. And then you just give up on it forever.